Today we're going to show you how to change the door lever on your front load washer. And it's a really easy job. All you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. Let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair, we simply need to open the washer door. And then with a Phillips screwdriver, we'll remove the two screws that hold the door lever to the door. Once we've removed the two screws, you can lift up on the broken lever, slide it out of the notch at the top of the door opening, and discard it. And we'll take our new lever, and there's a little hook portion on the top here that will fit into that rectangular slot, and then it'll tilt down into position. We'll next reinstall the two Phillips screws. We still got a chair with no Now, even though these screws will need to be tightened, there still has to be room for that latch lever to slide back and forth. So don't over tighten them, just make sure that they are bottomed out, but you should still have some side-by-side movement. And our repair is complete.